Quarantine has made us do a lot of things differently, but for me, I've finally been able to pursue an endeavor that I've had inside of me for a very long time: streaming video games. In today's video, I want to show you how you can turn a passion into a lucrative business. And by using the right marketing strategies, you can grow your business from $0 to $10,000 a month using consistency, intelligent content, and a strong product. There are a few main reasons why I want to start streaming. 1, because I have a huge passion for talking and playing video games. 2, I want to show you, using myself as a case study, that you could grow a business from the ground if you use the right content marketing strategies. And number 3, by directly being in the gaming community, I could understand more about the environment of my next project, which is to create a gaming team and a content house. Something like this. If you don't know what Twitch is, let me give you a brief explanation. It's the biggest streaming platform on the entire internet. It's where celebrities like Ninja or Pokemon started their careers and ended up becoming headliners and making millions of dollars every single year by playing video games. But there's much more to that. This is what CNN recently said about Twitch.
During its first year, Twitch had close to 3.2 million unique visitors a month, but the company would rapidly grow into the giant that it is today. In 2012, monthly visitors jumped from 3.2 million to 20 million visitors. And in 2013, Twitch would become the #1 video streaming site in the video game category with 45 million visits a month.
But even though there are a lot of monthly visits, there's still one issue. The thing about Twitch though is that there's no organic reach. So just like your business, there's no way you can organically reach people. You have to use social media platforms and great content to attract people to come to your product. So that's why I think there's a lot of relatability between my Twitch and any kind of business that you're trying to create and grow. Now, let me bring you into my Twitch dashboard. I started streaming around 1 month ago, and as you can see, I made around $131. This came from 45 amazing subscribers, a small amount of ad revenue, and viewers that cheer, aka tip or donate. Now, let's think about how much time I invested in that 1 month. I stream 4 hours per week, each time around 4 hours, so that's 16 hours per week. And every single day I spend 3 hours creating content, networking, and figuring out ways to better my stream, aka my product. So in total, this is around 37 hours per week, almost a full-time job. And so in 1 month, I invested almost 150 hours, 148 hours. Now, can you guess my hourly rate? I'm gonna tell you, it's way under the minimum wage. I made a whooping 89 cents per hour. But this is absolutely amazing because 1, I'm thankful for any kind of money that I can make from a passion, but 2, it proves that this funnel concept makes sense. And you may ask, what is a funnel? Well, a funnel is really a marketing term which basically explains your entire strategy, right? At the top of the funnel is your marketing strategies that bring people into the top. And at the bottom, it's your sales or the way that you generate revenue. So now I'm gonna walk through with you how our funnel actually works and how we can bring more people to my Twitch stream, aka my product. This is my marketing strategy that I'm using to grow my Twitch streaming business to make $10,000 a month by this time next year. So specifically, I'm using TikTok and YouTube because their organic reach is so high. I want to say hello to as many people in the gaming and streaming community as I can by saying, hi, my name is Min. I think one of my biggest strengths is being able to build relationships with people on a one-on-one basis. But the amazing thing about content is that you can scale that. Imagine if there wasn't only one Min, but there's actually 1,000 Mins. Or if there wasn't only one of you, but there was 1,000 of you. You could reach a lot more people that way. And make sure you have the proper call to action because all that exposure has to lead to something. So for me, for example, I would always say, hey, my name is Min. I stream on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I would love to see you on my stream. Come through. Link is in the description or link is in my bio. But that's only half the equation. Once they get to my stream, aka my product, that's when they'll decide if they stay or if they'll completely pass and move on. That's your conversion rate. For you, maybe it's they visit your website from your social media platform and then they'll decide, yes, I like their product or service, or no, I don't like their product or service. So looking at some real numbers. In 1 month, I grew my gaming TikTok to 4,500 amazing followers. I wanted to start a brand new TikTok because I wanted to show you that it could be done from scratch, that all these social media platforms could be started from zero. I did not shout myself out on any other of my social media platforms because I wanted to show you that you could truly start from zero and grow it from the ground up. For the 3 main categories of content, I want you to focus on the big 3: entertaining, relatable, and educational. Here are a couple examples.
So bright. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Duh.
What? In 2 days, this video reached 350,000 people. For simplicity purposes, let's look at the TikTok and think of YouTube as a bonus, even though in a few months, that might completely switch. And by the way, I am trying to grow this YouTube channel, so please hit that like button below and subscribe if you want more content like this. I also hope that this video is informative and helpful for you, and also gives you a fun way to look at content marketing strategies to grow your business from the ground up, and truly find a way to make a sustainable lifestyle from one of your passions. Now, some quick math. From 4,500 TikTok followers, we have 313 amazing Twitch followers. And from 313 Twitch followers, we made $131. One conversion that I do want to work on is that we had 313 Twitch followers from 1,175 Twitch stream visits or channel visits. Usually the conversion that I want to aim for is around 50%, and this is sitting around 25% to 30%. At every step of your funnel, there's a conversion. You always want to figure out ways to improve that conversion rate. For example, making better content, making sure that your content on your social media is very well connected and related to the landing page content. Some simple things could be changing your bio, right? It could be changing your call to action to get more people to go to your landing page. These are all small things that we can work on together. If you have any questions about any of your conversion rates, make sure you comment them below and we'll look at your funnel and see how we can improve and tweak some things. Now, here comes the fun part. Imagine we kept up with the content, we kept improving it, we were consistent, and we grew to 45,000 followers on TikTok, which is extremely achievable, right? This would translate to around 3,000 Twitch followers and would translate to $1,300 every single month from streaming. And let's take it to the next level, right? If we keep up with all of this, and in 1 year we grow to 450,000 followers on TikTok, that would translate to around 30,000 followers on Twitch, which would mean $13,000 every single month from streaming video games. That's a lot of money. And now when we look at the larger scale version of things, hey Siri, what is 13,100 times 12? That's almost $150,000 every single year. And the cool thing, right, is that if we break all these down and we see how much we have to grow every single month, these goals are achievable, right? They're not just dreams. They're things that you can actually take action on and get with 12 months of practice. Twitch has been so much fun, not only because I've been able to build an amazing community and that I get to play video games productively, it's also fun because I've been able to implement our content marketing strategies into a brand new business and see how you can truly grow using good content and social media strategies. Guys, seriously, even if you implement 50% of what I'm saying, all of these social media platforms, all of this content stuff can truly change your life. If you have any other questions about content marketing or would like to work with us, our email is below. Comment any questions you have below. We'll try to get to every single one of them. I would love if you would follow along with our journey. So make sure you click that subscribe button below and turn on the bell notifications as we're posting every single week. This is a new type of video series that I'm doing. It's kind of more case study based to kind of bring you along and show you the exact steps that you can take to grow your business or your brand. Also, if you're curious about how to actually grow your TikTok, here's a good video that we made a couple weeks ago. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.